If I told you that one single paper in UPSC mains could make or break your final rank, would you believe me? Yes, I am talking about the essay paper. This is the game changer that can take your mains score to a soaring 130s or leave you out of the list despite great scores in every other subject. The difference? It's not luck, it's preparation. Smart, structured, and deep. And that's exactly where Yuki, your AI based UPSC mentor and partner, steps in. Most aspirants either underplay the essay paper or prepare for it in a scattered way. But here's the secret: the essay paper is just like the general studies papers. It can be dissected, analyzed, and mastered with the right strategy. Yuki unfolds a topic wise, theme wise analysis of previous year questions, letting you see the examiner's mindset, repeated themes, and high frequency topics. This means you can pre prepare your essays for the most likely areas well before the exam day. The recurring themes include society and social issues, women and gender, governance and polity, philosophy and ethics, economy and development, science tech and environment, education and youth, international relation, amongst others. And within these themes, the topics are often repeated. Once you know where the questions are coming from, thanks to Yuki's deep dive PYQ thematic analysis, the next step is skill building. Yuki teaches you the art of framing the right approach to any essay topic, thinking multidimensionally, exploring pros, cons, and counterpoints, ending with futuristic positive way forward. And yes, that killer introduction and conclusion. They're not optional. They need to hook the examiner and connect with latest developments, which Yuki helps you integrate effortlessly. With Yuki, you're not starting from scratch. You get rich, relevant content, brainstorming support, latest data and case studies, a sleek, all-in-one space to plan, save, and revise your essays. Let's see it in action with two essay topics. Innovation is the key driver of economic growth and social welfare. How to weave in economic data, policy references, and global parallels. The next one, life is a long journey between being human and being humane. A philosophical essay with deep reflections. For each of these, Yuki's plan your answer prompt, frame your essay prompt, and case study prompt, along with the current affairs on the right, come together to give you a clear, concise, and coherent roadmap. In UPSC, memory building and revision are above everything. That's why Yuki lets you save every insight in My Notes, bookmark important prompts, and follow a planner so you're never unprepared. The essay paper decides your rank, your entry, or your exit from the holy PDF of UPSC. Your results could depend entirely on it, so don't wing it. Prepare like a pro, prepare with Yuki. Let's ace the game-changing essay paper and the UPSC Civil Services exam itself with Yuki.